Hi, this is Sylvain from Nordik Windows and Doors, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the steel door. So this is a standard ball bearing hinge, and this is a spring-loaded hinge. The purpose of a spring-loaded hinge is if the door is leading into a garage, the door will close on its own. So if you have a car running in the wintertime, the CO2 will not go into your house. So the adjustment on a spring hinge is very simple. You'll insert your Allen key in the slot, rotate it away from the door, and then with your pin you'll insert that all the way through. Typically when you have a self-closing hinge on a door, you'd put one on every hinge on that door. So if there's 3 hinges, you'll put 3 in. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to adjust a simple steel door. If you have to push on the door in order to get the deadbolt to line up, well, there's a simple adjustment with the latch. Okay, so this is the latch, and the adjustment for it is right over here. So if you want the door to close tighter, you'll pull this tongue out so that when you close the door you don't have to push it in order to lock it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to remove a simple Weiser doorknob. So all you have to do is remove the 2 screws on the inside, or just loosen them up. And then take your handle and rotate it. And then to reinstall it, you just want to make sure that you put the screws on the inside of the house. You'll place your doorknob and then rotate it over the screws, and then just tighten it up. There you have it. Okay, and now I'm going to show you the weather stripping on a steel door. So this is the magnetic strip. So this is a magnet which actually sticks onto the steel door. And these are the weather strip pads which seal off the corner. And then this is the Polyflex which prevents air infiltration. A common thing with these weather stripping pads is that clients think that they shouldn't be there because they feel it when they're closing the door. But rest assured, it's supposed to be there, and it's there to prevent a draft in your door. And now we're going to talk about lubricating and maintaining the door. I recommend spraying any door or window with silicone spray in the spring and the fall, so twice a year. Okay, so for lubricating the bottom of the door, I recommend spraying directly on the box sweep instead of spraying the door frame, just so that it's not slippery when you step on the door. And then to demonstrate that, for spraying a hinge, I recommend opening up the door and spraying it from the inside like so. So when you clean the glass, I recommend any type of glass cleaner that's ammonia free. You don't want to use Windex because Windex does have ammonia, which will actually eat at the PVC on any door or window, and it'll dry out the plastic.